Hey everybody, thanks for joining. Today we are going to do a melt and pour embed inside cold process soap. I went ahead and melted down the micas and the melt and pour ahead of time, and then I put them into the molds that I wanted. One of the molds I got off of Etsy. It's actually a resin mold. It's for little lips. I'll put a link in my shop or to the shop below. It's not from me. You do want to use a dropper with that smaller one. I didn't have the film running for it. But then I also just did some purple hearts, and I used this mold, and I'll show you later when I put them in the soap how we get them to kind of stick together. Next, I went ahead and measured out my lye and water solution. I like to get those going ahead of time so that they have time to cool while I measure everything else and get them to room temperature. I don't normally do this, but my lye looked like it had some little bits in it, so I went ahead and used my strainer to make sure that we weren't dumping any clumps of lye into the oil solution. And then I just went ahead and got it to a light trace. I went ahead and added about 2 ounces of Heavenly Honeysuckle. It's one of my favorite fragrances from Brambleberry. I have a video out there too that just talks about the different fragrances from Brambleberry I like if you want to check it out. And then for the coloring of this one, I left most of it white and did about a cup of a hot pink neon mica and about a cup of black activated charcoal. The camera didn't pick it up really well, but I did have a lot of glitter and shimmer in this. So these are dark purple melt and pour, and it is somewhat translucent when you look at it. I just went ahead and I stacked them at an angle inside the mold, and I brushed them up against each other as tightly as I could. Some of them started sinking because I think my trace is a little bit light, but it doesn't seem to affect the overall design of the soap. So just go ahead and stack them in there the best you can. Alright everybody, I just wanted to thank you for joining me today and watching this video. If you want more recipes or tips like this, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.